So well, we are at a time where it seems as if the cultural wars that we're seeing in our world today, that the church has been sort of beat down into submission, that we're not going out and seeking to evangelize and to influence those around us, our neighbors, and win them to Christ. We're not doing that. But this is the time. This is not the time to actually retreat. This is the time to actually take the gospel forward in the midst of all the chaos around us. This is a perfect time for the gospel to be advanced. And so churches should be modeling, first of all, pastors should be modeling evangelism, discipleship, taking the gospel to our neighbors and beyond to the nations. And we need to be modeling as pastors. So we are the first to take our Bibles and go out and preach. And then we need to teach our churches to do the same.